everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Curlkit. Curlkit is a $20 monthly hair subscription with a $5 shipping charge that is targeted towards people with curly hair. So if you're wanting to sign up, I do have a referral discount code in the description box down below that you're more than welcome to use. So let's see what we got for this month. Okay. So like always, it comes with their little brochure, lets you know, editor's note about the products and just kind of like life things going on. So there's that. So we have quite a few mix of things. So we have this Candy Curls. This is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Okay. Okay, so this is something I've never seen. So this is African Black Soap. It's a facial wash and scrub. So it's anti-acne and clarifying. So I know I do get a couple little acne here and there. Nothing bad. But I know I did use the African Black Soap from Shea Moisture. And it helped a lot when I was breaking out a lot. So I'm going to try this out. Okay, next we have Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I've used this before. Don't mind it. All right. We got Lotta Body. It's a 5-in-1 leave-in treatment, which this one and I believe this one, we have gotten these like a while back. So I did enjoy this one. The leave-in conditioners, I always enjoy leave-in conditioners, so I never have anything against leave-in conditioners. I actually really enjoy them. So we've got, oh, they're different things. So we got apple cider vinegar hair so soft shampoo. This is from Hawaiian Silky. So it is a 14-in-1 Miracles Natural. We have an apple cider vinegar so soft conditioner. So we have shampoo and conditioner. Apple cider vinegar hair yogurt intensive treatment. That should be fun. And this is an apple cider vinegar charcoal activated shampoo. Okay, so there's 4 different things, and I actually like these little packets because they're great for when I go places. I can just use them, put them away, things like that. Or what's exciting, I kind of want to try this hair yogurt treatment. So yeah, that is everything I got for this month's Curlkit. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching. Bye.